So you will make up to $5.53, okay, per surveys you take on this website, okay, and there are over 97 offers available for you, okay. So this for my country here, Nigeria. If I try changing my country to United States here, okay, and if I refresh the page for you to see, okay, you see that if you're in the United States, okay, you can make up to $228 per offers, and there are over 1,000 offers available for you on this platform. Okay, so in this video, I'll be showing you step by step how you can get started with free cash, register an account, start making money, and how to withdraw. Okay, so if this is your first time on this channel, welcome to Online Money Also. Okay, I post content on how to make money online. Okay, I have several content on my channel here. Okay, and if you need any assistance, check the description of the video. I usually drop my social handle there. Okay, you can message me. I usually reply as soon as possible. Okay, so this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I drop a new content on this channel, because I usually upload content every week, at least twice a week. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so this is the official website here, freecash.com. Okay, this is the official dashboard. Okay, so if you are from United States, you'll be earning over up to $228 per offers, okay, and there are over 1,000 offers available for you, okay. So these are the cash outs from yesterday, over $52,000, okay. So let's go step by step on the platform, okay. So on TrustPilot here, they say they have over 22,000 reviews with an excellent review, that's 5 star. So let's confirm that ourselves. So I'm on TrustPilot's website here now, and this is a verified company with over 22,000 review with 4.6 rating out of 5. Okay, and if you scroll down, you will see 82% rate them excellent. Okay, and if you go over to read their reviews, okay, an hour ago, okay, a very decent website to get crypto. However, I took 1 star off as I've been receiving more scams email and messages since using this website. Okay, so and this person from US, okay. Free cash is just 50-50 lol, okay. This free cash is okay. I have never made enough here before. Meanwhile, another platform for investment, okay. So many people are sharing their own view on the platform, but majority of people are actually getting a 5 star, okay. They are making money, okay, because most people don't know how to go about the website. That's why they have bad experiences in the website, okay. You can see some people are rating it bad, but most are rating it 5 star, okay. So you see, I just earned $20 in few days, okay. These are real people giving reviews, okay. Good to earn money, okay. So let's go back to the channel, okay, to the platform, okay. So something I love about this is you can earn withdraw through Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, paper, or gift card, like Amazon gift card, Steam gift card, Apple gift card, or Google Play gift card, okay. So and according to their stats here, okay, so let me zoom this for you. According to their stats here, okay, they believe to that an average time users make their first cash out, okay. So they mean if you stay on the website for at least 17 minutes 16 seconds, you'll be able to make your first cash out, okay. And average money earned by users yesterday is over $13, and they have paid over $19 million to their users, okay. So how to get started, okay, choose a task, okay, complete the task, receive your coin, okay. It's very easy, it's very easy, okay. And what I love about this is the minimum cash out here is just 50 cents, okay. It's very easy. Minimum cash out is 50 cents, and you can earn $1 for every 5 to 10 minutes by completing offers on free cash. But note, your country differs. If you are in a good country, you earn higher money, okay. So highest payouts, verified tax, 24 hours support, okay. So I just went to Google to search, okay, how much can I earn on free cash in a month, okay. They say according to free cash, it is easily possible to earn more than $100 per month, with some users even reaching $1,000 a month, okay. So this is actually just a content from a blog, okay, but them saying this, that means people are actually earning this, okay. So let's actually go back, okay. So to get started, it's very easy, okay. You just have to click on the sign up button here. Okay, so look at this. Okay, when you want to sign up, you actually receive a sign up bonus. Create an account. When you open, you get a free case and win up to $250. Okay, you earn from the range of days. Okay, you might not actually get this the highest amount, because most time in giveaway you only earn the highest amount. Okay, so it's very easy. Either you enter your email, username, password. Okay, or I think you can register using your Google account or still your account. Okay, let's go with Google account so as to like save time. Okay, so I'll just tap on this. Okay, so I've successful register an account. Okay, so if you don't have a referral code, okay, just tap on free. Okay, but if you use my link in the description, I drop my referral code here, just input it, because if you use a actual referral code, you earn an higher money here. Okay, I tap on free. So if I tap on open case, let's see the amount I luckily win. Okay, oh, that's bad. Okay, so I earn actually the minimum amount. Okay, but I think if you use a referral code, you are meant to earn higher. Okay, so that's for this. Okay, now that's 50 coin. Okay, so 1,000 coin is equivalent to $1. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, you remember, see, these are the featured offers here. So for this offer, I'll earn $55. For this offer, I'll earn $42. For this offer, I'll earn $10, $63. To see that this website is actually paying. Okay, I can see this website is this offer is paying $64. Okay, meaning if I complete this offer, I'm going to earn huge amount of money. But each offer has their own requirement. Okay, so if I tap on this offer now, you see what I'm meant to do. Okay, so I'm meant to register deposit and make a minimum of $10 using a valid credit card and earn $55. Okay, before I can earn their reward. Okay, so try checking the requirement. Okay, for this, okay, you have to register with your full details and fund a minimum of $5 to your account. Okay, register with your full details, fund a minimum of $5 to your account. This offer reward within 24 hours. So this one, you just have to fund $5 to your account and you receive $42 profit. Okay, like offer. Okay, why for this one? Okay, requirement. Okay, try the 3-month trial of Sirius XM platform plan for just $1 and begin streaming music. Okay, so you try the 3-month trial, okay, for just $1, you'll be earning $10. To see that, okay, some of this offer you might spend a little amount of money. So let's go to this low paying offer like this. They're paying $2. Okay, sign up for a chime account. When you set up a direct deposit, enjoy getting your paycheck up to 2 days early. Okay, you receive your coin within 5 minutes. When you register an account and set up your direct deposit, that means linking your bank account to the chime account, you receive this. Okay, so that these actually paid high paying offers. Okay, some might take some hours to complete, some can take minutes. Okay, and this is TikTok. Okay, to pay you $1.50. Okay, like $1.05. Okay, open and use the app for a day. This offer reward you within 24 hours. So you just download TikTok app and use for a day, you earn this amount. Okay, and remember the minimum withdrawal here is just 50 cents. So once you earn it, you can withdraw your Bitcoin, crypto, paper. Okay, so and you can also earn from offer wars here. Okay, you can see each offer wars contain hundreds of tasks to complete. And remember, 1,000 coin equals to $1. Okay, so if you come over here, you see, okay, if I tap on this to show me list of offers available for me. Sometimes offer might not be available on some offer wars. Okay, so it's a limited time bonus. Okay, as you can see, survey junkie, this one is paying me 4,055. Okay, just have to scroll through, you can see different ones. Okay, this will open this register deposit and play and at least $20. Okay, you earn 63,000 coin, that's $67, $63. Okay, some will pay you low, some will pay you higher. So I think there are a lot of ways you can earn money on this site. Okay, there's limited amount of ways you can make money on this platform. Okay, so you can just check them. Okay, so popularity 100. Okay, you can go with one with the high popularity. if you are scared. Okay, so for the surveys, okay, they also have, you can complete surveys. Actually, there's only 3 survey platform here. Okay, so CPS research, let's see, okay, what they have for us and the amount they are going to pay. Okay, so while it's loading, it will take some time to load the surveys available for you in your country. Okay, so some country might not pay up to this amount, some country might pay more than this amount, but I think United States should be the highest paying. Okay, so yes, I am from United States. Okay, this is just the purpose for this video. Please select your state and go next. Okay, let's see. I agree. Okay, next. Okay, so I'm just showing you everything step by step. Okay, so I think this is going through some qualification question like about your profile, so they can give you surveys for your kind of profile. Okay, so let's just go back. Okay, so if you are choosing the survey, you can go to that. Okay, so these are the basic 3 ways you can earn lot of coins. Okay, surveys. Okay, offer words and features offer. Okay, and for you to withdraw, just tap on here. Okay, like, okay, sorry, it's very easy for you to withdraw. Tap on cash out here. Okay, so when you tap on cash out here, you see um use your earned coin on Freecash to withdraw PayPal, Bitcoin, Visa, Amazon and much more. Crypto withdrawal is minimum of 50 cents and stake withdrawal is equals to 25 cents. Okay, so you can withdraw to your PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, sorry, and bank transfer, or you can use gift card. Okay, many. Okay, so I saw this and this stake. Okay, see, look at this stake. Look at it. Okay, so stake crypto withdrawals are sent within a few minutes. Minimum stake is 250 coin. Okay, so I think um when you withdraw through stake crypto, okay, you receive 25% bonus. Okay, like they will actually, like when you withdraw through stake crypto, they actually keep your crypto for some specific amount of time, then they will release it for you with a 25% bonus. Okay, this for people who just like just had an investment. Imagine earning $100. Okay, we join the $100. Okay, so when you draw through straight stake crypto, it has stake Litecoin, Dogecoin, okay, Tron on XRP. Okay, so instead of you collecting $100 now, you will collect $225. Okay, this is a way to earn more. Okay, so let's just go back. Okay, there are more on this website. Okay, so this for the cash out. Okay, so if you come over to leaderboard, okay, I want to show you something. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so there's a daily $500 leaderboard. Okay, so every day it changes. Okay, so I think depending on the amount of points you can earn a day, there will be a leaderboard for people. Okay, so for this user, okay, they have earned over 100,000 points today. That's $100. Okay, and he received a price of 12,500 points coins. Okay, that's $12 additional. Okay, so it was okay. No, okay, it's actually number 4. Okay, so if you look at the number 1, okay, let's have earned, let's see how many points users earn. Okay, they not actually show the, okay, I've earned 275,000 points just today, and that's $275, and earning additional $50. Okay, so they usually do daily challenge or give money. Okay, depending on the amount of coin you're able to earn, they'll share it to all the users. Okay, so and they also do monthly challenge. Okay, so this one is monthly challenge of $5,000 monthly. Okay, so you can also partake. Okay, so in a month, this guy have earned over $889 and you have received $500 additional bonus. Okay, so you can see people are making a lot of money on this platform. Okay, so if you tap on, let me see on this reward, let me see what's available here. Okay, so I've earned that. Okay, so you can also earn from referrals. Okay, you earn money from referrals. Okay, and also come over to Freecash official Twitter account. Okay, if you can see here, they have over 375,000 followers. Okay, and they post some kind of code, some giveaway code, okay, $50 giveaways, okay. They do giveaways on their page, on their Twitter page. So you can come over, follow them so you won't miss out. So you can receive some free coin, okay. Okay, you can receive some free coin and redeem it on your dashboard here. Okay, it's very, very, very easy. So for referral, tap on here and you see something like affiliate, okay. So you receive 5% of all the offers like your referral end, okay. So it's very easy, okay, and your refer user will receive free keys, okay, as a welcome bonus. That's if you use my referral code, okay. You see a code like this, okay, on the description of this video. Click on it to get started, okay. So that's just all about free cash, okay. I've showed you everything step by step on how to register an account and how to maneuver the website to start making money online on this platform, okay. So do appreciate by dropping a comment down below, okay. Comment the content you're watching this video on so I can keep posting content available in your country. And please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not subscribed, okay. So thanks for watching. Do have a nice day.